everyone, this is Sabbir here once again, and today I am come to our famous river, but you cannot say it's a river right now because there's no one drop of water. You can find the place as a smooth field, and after collecting the berry, it grows some small berry tree. And if I tell the exact time of now, and it's now it's twilight time, and this is river like area, but there is no water left. You can call this is a adventure.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.